This is video number 4 and we will be solving some puzzles on numbers. So let's get started with the first question. What is the sum of two consecutive even numbers, the differences of whose squares is 84? So the two consecutive even numbers can be written like, if we take the first number as x, the next number will be x plus 2, because the difference between two even numbers which are consecutive is 2. So the difference of squares is given, which is 84. So the bigger number square minus the smaller number square is 84. So we have x plus 2 whole square minus x square is equals to 84. This is what has been given. Now what we have to find out is the sum of these two consecutive even numbers. So the sum of these two consecutive numbers will be equal to x plus 2, and that will be equal to 2x plus 2. And this is what we have to find out, and we can find this out from this equation. Let us solve this. X plus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 2 times 2x, which is 4x, plus 2 square, which is 4, minus x square is equal to 84. So x square and minus x square get cancelled out, so this is equals to 4x plus 4 equals to 84. Now dividing this whole equation by 2, we get, let's divide this, divide by 2, divide by 2. So we get 2x plus 2 is equals to 42. And that's what we have to find, 2x plus 2. And that is 42. So the answer is option C. Let us move on to the next question. The sum of squares of three consecutive natural numbers is 2030. What is the middle number? Okay, so let us write the three consecutive natural numbers. So first one is x, the next one will be x plus 1, and the next one will be x plus 2. So the sum of squares of these three consecutive natural numbers is 2030. So we can write x square plus x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to 2030. This is what we have been given. Now what is the middle number? So from this equation we can find out x, and then we can find out x plus 1. So this is equals to x square plus x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to x square plus 2 times 2x, which is 4x, plus 2 square, which is 4, equals to 2030. Now we have 1, 2 and 3x square, so 3x square plus 2x plus 4x is 6x plus 5 is equals to 2030. And if we move the 2030 to the left hand side of equals to, we get 3x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 2030 is equals to minus 2025 equals to 0. Now we can divide this whole equation by 3, because all of these three numbers are divisible by 3. So we have x square plus 2x minus 675 is equal to 0. And if you solve this quadratic equation using the formula that you know, you will get the roots as x equals to minus 27 and x is equals to 25. So we have the value of x. We have to find out the middle number, which is x plus 1. So x plus 1 is equals to 25 plus 1, and that is 26. So you may mistakenly mark option A, but that is not the right answer. The right answer is option B, because you have to find out the middle number. Okay, the final question now. The sum of four consecutive numbers is 14. What is the product of these numbers? So we have four consecutive numbers. So if the first number is x, then the next would be x plus 1, the next will be x plus 2, then x plus 3. So these are the four consecutive numbers. So what has been asked is the product of these numbers. So x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is asked. And what has been given is the sum of these numbers, which is 14. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 is equals to 14. So solving this for x, we get 1, 2, 3 and 4x plus 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6 is equals to 14. X is equals to 14 minus 6 by 4. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8 by 4, and that is equals to 2. So x is equal to 2. We have to find out the product of these numbers. So this is equal to 2 times 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, and that is equals to 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 times 4 is 20. So 6 times 20 is 120. So the right answer is option A.